Okay, my name is Asad Yaqub, and we are going to take a start with your IELTS speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
How popular is cycling in your hometown?
Cycling is a very popular in our hometown. Most of the young boys and girls usually learn cycling, and they used to this as a habit and to refresh themselves and utilize this as a exercise to keep themselves fit.
Do people ride bicycles more for pleasure or to commute?
In our hometown, most of the people use bicycles for their transport, less for their spare or leisure time,
Thank you.
because
Thanks a lot.
people have not so much expense to cope the cars, so they usually use bicycles for their transport.
What are the advantages of a bicycle compared to a car?
Bicycle has many advantages over the car because they are very cheap as compared to the cars, and also they are very easy to learn for every person, and also you have not much money to arrange and manage all the resources for the
How
bicycle.
often do you ride a bicycle?
No, I had never ride a bicycle.
We now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. This is the topic, and you have 1 minute to write down some notes and then you can speak. All right. You will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
The time when I traveled on a train, it was the last year when we went to the Karachi by train, and I am going with my family to enjoy. We had a trip there, so we decided to visit some places like beach and other famous places there, and the historical places. So I went with my family, and during the journey we had some problem, like the trains railway system in Pakistan is no much no was not developed as much, so otherwise all the overall it was a good journey for me because it was the first time when I am experiencing this journey through the railway trains.
Okay, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 3. How safe is travel in your country?
Could you repeat the question?
How safe is travel in your country?
It's somehow it is safe to travel in my country. It mostly depends on your driving skills because most of the people are underage who are driving, so there is a greater number of chances to accidents.
Which method of transport do you consider the safest?
I think car is the best transport because we are safe and we have not trouble in the fatigue and restless. So I prefer to car.
What do you think should be done to improve the safety of travel?
We should learn driving from a proper coach, and also we follow the rules because in Pakistan there are many people who break the signals and they feel as a proud, so we should follow the proper rules to make our driving safe.
All right, thank you very much. That's the end of your IELTS speaking test. You've got a couple of problems. The first thing is you are mixing tenses. Present, past. Second thing, in IELTS speaking, try to avoid present continuous. Because we only use present continuous, like for example, if I say, I am having tea. Right? I am having another sip of tea. Or, I am eating a biscuit. And now, yummy. So,
Fantastic.
now the thing is, present continuous is only used when you are actually doing something. Do you understand or shall I repeat?
No.
Yeah, understand. Okay, that's the important thing. So avoid present continuous tense and Just you should be able to differentiate past and present, and sometimes you are lacking ideas, but overall you have confidence. So just focus your language skills, then it'll be fine. Looking at your other things, like you took some pauses as well, but overall still I'll give you 6 band. But you should go on and improve your tenses, avoid present continuous tense, come up with more ideas, and you'll be fine, right?
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you.